Good morning, dear students. We are discussing chapter 1. Till now, we have discussed history of trade and commerce and some topics related to the second part of the chapter, that is concept of business, concept of economic and non-economic activities, characteristics of business, and objectives of business. Now today, first we will discussing role of profit in business, and after that we will discuss classification of business activities. You know, children, that profit is the main motive of every economic activity, and as business as an economic institution, it must earn sufficient profits to cover its cost and to provide for growth. And this question is generally asked in exams that state the role of profit in business. So first importance of profit in business is that profit is the main source of income for business purpose. It provides the means of livelihood for them. People are engaged in business activities as their main motive is to earn money and to get their livelihood. But every person does not remain stagnant with the livelihood only. He wants to grow continuously, and that is why every business person enterprise wants to expand its business, and profit is the main source of funds for meeting expansion requirements. So this is the second benefit, second role of profit in business. The third role of profit in business is that it is an indication of efficient working of business. The efficiency and prosperity of business is measured through the profit it earns. If suppose a business is earning losses continuously, then that business would not be called as an efficient business. Profit is the real measure of performance. Besides this, profit is the reward for risk taking, because an entrepreneur bears a lot of risk while he carries business activities. जब कोई इतना रिस्क लेकर, इतनी सारी वरीज लेकर, इतनी सारी टेंशन्स लेकर वो बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व होता है, तो इतना रिवॉर्ड तो उसका बनता है कि वो एक जेन्युइन प्रॉफिट गेन करे और उसी प्रॉफिट से उसकी रेपुटेशन बनती है. सो द नेक्स्ट रोल ऑफ profit is that it builds up reputation of business. A profit-making company always enjoys a better goodwill in the market as compared to the loss-making company. But students, modern concept में जहाँ ये माना जाता है that consumer is the king of the market, तो क्या profit maximization केवल एक अकेला ऑब्जेक्टिव किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हो सकता है? No. Profit cannot be the sole criteria of business, because modern concept of business is profit through services, not profit maximization. अगर मैनेजर्स ने प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन की तरफ ध्यान दिया, उन्होंने केवल उस तरफ फोकस किया और सर्विसेज पे अगर ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो अल्टीमेटली दैट एंटरप्राइज वुड बी आउट ऑफ द मार्केट, because present time is for those firms which are continuously involved in giving better and better services to consumers. So it cannot be the only criteria or sole objective. Now let us have a look at the classification of business activities. Business activities are broadly classified into two parts. One is industry and another one is commerce. Now here first we'll recall our definition or meaning of business activities. अगर मैं वापस से recall करूं business के meaning को, then business refers to all those activities which are connected with production, purchase and sale of goods or services with the main objective of profit. अब यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन से लेके गुड्स के सेल और सप्लाई तक की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं वो सारी की सारी बिजनेस में आती हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्शन वाला जो एस्पेक्ट है वो तो कौन फुलफिल करता है? इंडस्ट्रीज, बिकॉज दे डील्स विद प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज। और जो बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज का जो रेस्ट हाफ पार्ट है उससे डील करता है कॉमर्स। मीन्स कॉमर्स includes all those activities which are necessary for the distribution of goods and services. ठीक है, प्रोडक्शन वाला एस्पेक्ट इंडस्ट्री कंप्लीट करेगी और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन वाला एस्पेक्ट कॉमर्स कंप्लीट करेगा। Now industries are further divided into 3 parts that you already have discussed in your 10th class also. So primary, secondary and tertiary. Now let us talk about primary industry. Primary industry includes all those activities which are connected with extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organism or plants. Primary industries में वो 2 तरह की इंडस्ट्रीज आती हैं, जो या तो एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज हो, जो कि एक्सट्रैक्शन से कनेक्ट हो, means something is extracted out of the earth like water or air or coal, iron, gas, etc. Actually, extractive industries supply some basic raw materials that are usually transformed into many other useful goods by manufacturing industries. For example, फार्मिंग, माइनिंग, लंबरिंग, लंबरिंग मीन्स लकड़ी काटने का जो काम होता है, हंटिंग, फिशिंग, ऑल दीज कम अंडर दिस कैटेगरी ऑफ इंडस्ट्री मीन्स एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज, जो कि अर्थ में से कुछ ना कुछ एक्सट्रैक्ट करने में इंगेज्ड हैं। जो रॉ मटेरियल्स हैं वो सारे के सारे नेचुरल सोर्सेज से रेज किए जाते हैं, वहाँ से एक्सट्रैक्ट किए जाते हैं। अब बात करते हैं जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्रीज क्या होती हैं। These industries refer to those industries under which the breed of animals and vegetables are improved and made more useful. For example, poultry farms, dairy farming, fish hatchery, cattle breeding, etc. जैसे पोल्ट्री फार्म में से चिकन्स या डक्स फॉर फार्मिंग, मीट और eggs for food. That's all for today. Remaining parts we'll discuss tomorrow. Thank you, children.